Ready to take your home projects to the next level? Whether you're tackling a DIY masterpiece or just fixing up around the house, the right tools can make all the difference. From power tools that cut your work in half to accessories that add the perfect finishing touch, we've got everything you need to turn your vision into reality. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to precision and efficiency with the best tools for every job. Let's get building and make those home improvements easier and more rewarding than ever. Struggling to find the right lighting for your late night reading? This portable, rechargeable reading light has you covered. With stepless dimming and 3 color modes, you can easily adjust to your ideal brightness and avoid harsh, flickering lights. Say goodbye to eye strain and hello to smooth, flicker-free lighting for hours of comfortable reading. With 80 hours of battery life and a 360-degree flexible neck, position it however you like, and the sturdy clip keeps it secure wherever you go. Transform your reading experience today. Tired of boring Christmas lights that don't stand out? Govi's smart Argibix LED lights bring stunning multicolor effects that make every celebration magical. Say goodbye to ordinary. Govi's Argibix lights display multiple vibrant colors on a single strip, transforming your home into a visual masterpiece. Control everything with the Govee Home app. Adjust brightness, explore 64+ stunning scenes, or sync to your favorite music for a jaw-dropping party vibe. With 16 million DIY color options, your creativity knows no bounds. Whether it's Christmas, a celebration, or just everyday ambience, these lights elevate any space. Don't miss the chance to make your decor extraordinary. Tired of straining your eyes or disturbing your partner while reading? Bad lighting can ruin your focus and disrupt the people around you. The Glaucoscent Neck Light lets you read comfortably without compromise. The Glaucoscent Neck Light offers 3 color modes, 6 brightness levels, and up to 80 hours of USB-C rechargeable light. Its ergonomic, eye-friendly design lets you read or craft comfortably without disturbing others. Is your home's air affecting your health? Dry or humid air can wreak havoc on your skin and allergies. With this smart humidity meter, you can create the perfect environment for your family. Take control of your air quality with this high-accuracy humidity meter. The comfort indicator keeps you informed if your air is dry, comfy, or damp, while 10-second updates and high-low records ensure you're always in the know. Perfect for every room, even your greenhouse or fridge. With 3 placement options, cleaner, healthier air is just a click away. Love the glow of candles but hate the mess and risks? Homemori LED tea lights give you a safe, cozy glow that lasts 40 times longer. Create warmth without the worries. Homemori LED tea lights offer a realistic flicker, up to 200 hours of illumination, and no fire hazards or mess. Perfect for any occasion, weddings, parties, or everyday decor. Click now to light up your space. Hassle-free. Say goodbye to dark outdoor spaces. Brighten your nights with solar-powered brilliance. Light up your outdoors with these 2,500 lumen solar motion sensor lights. Featuring 3 adjustable modes and a 270-degree detection angle, they provide wide coverage and ultimate convenience. Durable, IP65 waterproof, and easy to install wirelessly. Perfect for any weather. Upgrade your yard, garage, or pool today. Transform your space with Govee's 100-foot LED strip lights. Tired of dull, lifeless rooms? Say goodbye to boring spaces and hello to vibrant, customizable lighting. With app control, sync your lights to music, explore 64 dynamic scenes, and create your own designs with 16 million colors. The best part? You can light up your entire home with just one tap, making every room a masterpiece. Don't settle for ordinary. Upgrade your home decor and experience the magic of Govee. What do you think? Tired of weak water pressure and endless scrubbing? Grimy nozzles and tough-to-clean tiles can turn your shower into a hassle. The AquaCare hand shower transforms your bathroom with power and convenience. Say goodbye to clogged nozzles and hello to powerful performance with AquaCare's 8-setting power head. Its self-cleaning nozzles ensure strong water flow, while the 2-mode power wash makes cleaning tiles and tubs effortless, even from 6 feet away. Ideal for pets, its gentle spray takes the stress out of bath time. With a 72-inch hose and extra accessories, AquaCare makes every shower cleaner and better. Tired of your floors getting scratched and damaged? Every move of your furniture leaves marks, ruining your beautiful floors. With X Protector pads, your floors stay flawless and scratch-free. Protect your home from scuffs and scratches. X Protector's premium felt pads offer 133 pieces in 2 colors. Perfect for any furniture. Easy to apply and ideal for wood, laminate, or tile. They keep your floors looking brand new. Don't let scratches ruin your space. Order risk-free today. Is your tap water doing more harm than good? Tap water can contain harmful impurities like lead, chlorine, and even pesticides. risking your health with every sip. The Pure Source Ultra Water Filter transforms your fridge water into crisp, clean hydration you can trust. Upgrade your water game with the Pure Source Ultra. This carbon-based filter removes chlorine, lead, nitrates, and more, making every glass as pure as it gets. Designed for easy, tool-free installation, it lasts up to 6 months, providing peace of mind for your family. Tested and certified for quality, it's the perfect way to stay healthy and hydrated. Don't wait. Click now and taste the difference. Ready to paint like a pro? Transform every project with flawless professional results. Achieve stunning finishes with this 5-piece premium paintbrush set. Perfect for walls, trim, cabinets, and more. These brushes hold more paint for faster, streak-free coverage. Get the perfect balance of comfort and protection with these flexible spandex work gloves. Designed with breathable spandex to keep your hands cool, they feature touchscreen fingertips so you can use your phone without removing them. Foam padding on the knuckles and palms absorbs impact and reduces vibration, making them ideal for light-duty tasks like yard work, gardening, and home improvement. Lightweight, durable, and comfortable. Click now to upgrade your work gear. Fed up with constantly buying bottled water? Brita Elite filters save you from 1,800 plastic bottles a year, reducing 99% of lead, chlorine, and more. With 3 times longer life than standard filters, you'll only need to replace it twice a year, saving money and hassle. Easy to install and BPA-free. Ready to make the switch to cleaner, better tasting water?